Snem aja arpu aru long shisha snem ubadap da kajing klan bat kajing so sorong na kabanta ka shlem aja nang jing star jung ka St Paul High Secondary School Nongpoh hakaba ka shipotri bujliu aja arpu ar kan ka school kala yo ban kheju so bathiang harian bo wain ki khina puliu la ban pass bha ban kot akadan ka bakhandai ha top 10 list jung ka exam high secondary school leaving certificate kabala pan banada ke embos New Samla Puli na kanika school uday batip kateng kum silver star shadap ubla pass bat poy ka kadan ka bakhandai hadir bula khor hadu south pa arpu ar marks but your distinction haki south liki subject ki bakinthub ek khasi sociology health but history kumbal apan power ki board panya school ki loong bakani ka desisha ka sngi ka basa kan mau bat ka bakamentam ya ka school hi bro ka boy namar ka de ka sin ka Nyngkong ya ka school bakan poy ha kanika kerdan Kilapan pauru bakani ka jingla jong samla silver star shadap kan ai min sim ki we par ki khna puli ki badang pan khre menta ban lei thoi ki exam SSLC but Hsslc
The first thing that come into my mind is we are thankful to God. We are thankful to God for His blessing. We are thankful to the patron of the school, St. Paul's, for His blessing. Upon each one of us, especially upon Mr. Shabbat. A big congratulations to him. A round of applause again. Thank you. Now, I just want to tell you a little bit about Sylvester Shadab. He is his class teacher, how he was. Sylvester Shadab is a boy who stayed in Umdiwal. He is from Umdiwal. A very polite, good manners, humble, and more importantly, a hard-working boy. We have never seen him wasting his time. He is a person who will accept any corrections needed. He is a person who will always accept, or he was a person who always tried to find out whatever is being, when he doubted anything, he tried to clarify his doubt.
I would like to congratulate Sylvester Shadab for achieving this great result. He got 9th position in the Hsslc examination in arts. So I congratulate him on this day, and I am told he is a very simple boy, very humble boy, and very hard-working boy. That is the reason why God has blessed him, and he has brought real credit to this school. We have started this plus 2 right from 2015, I am told, and we are getting for the first time 9th position in the school. So we are very happy. We would like to congratulate him and implore God's manifold blessings on him on this beautiful day. I would like to congratulate Sister Headmistress, Sister Angeline, and all the staff for their hard work they are putting. It is because of their hard work and teaching we are able to bring about good results in our school.
Nakaliang samla silver star ulapan pau Nyngkong e kajing songu ka pakraw yu blai try kan rar ubla lam lenti u ha kajing pan kre e exam bar kum juru e kinohi kai jang u ki bala la ban pittibedi u baro shikata ha ka bai dei pat bar kajing puli jang u
hana wan hangni hadu menta wat dei na kalungba kajing yarak wajangu jong blai bangal la ban poi hadu kan kardan beryo ka top 10 Dei lang ba kajing duai jonga ublei try kanat ulas ngap sisa kajing duai jonga ngakwa ban pan ngakwa ban job ha kajing jonga dei na kata gadau ba ublei try kanat ula ayanga ya kane kalat bat ngaru da kajing try system jonga ngalayo ban het yo so uba tiang so uba bang bat ngai khublei ru ya kinoi kai baro ki balai kai yanga hawai dei na ling ba kajing try system jingki ba ngalala ban pas bat kiwe pat ki parlo jonga ki ba pas bat deleng ba ka jengki ba ngalala panyo khet kenu so habang adon kanu ka kajing ngak ki kloi banyarap nga ki kloi ban pani nga habang adon ni kajing na ki kloi ban penbai nga dena kata kadau bang la ban poi hadu une uput banyo ya ka kardan ka bakham suneng